Alrighty boys, if you've managed to stumble your way down the crypto robotics rabbit hole, you've probably found yourself a bunch of different projects like Ex Machina, Peak, then you've got like OVR, which GeoNets. From all of those options, boys, the number one robotics play in crypto is without a doubt Auki Network. No one even fucking comes close. If we're just talking purely from a robotics play, no one's even fucking close to Auki. And let me explain why. Alright, so today in August 2025, boys, humanoid robots are still a fucking long way away. They're still, when I say a long way away, they're like 5 to 10 years off doing anything meaningful. Economically, they're not doing anything yet. So you have to think, well then, who are the robots that fucking commercial clients are going to be buying, and why are they going to be buying them? And the first robots that are going to be getting deployed in the numbers of hundreds of thousands are going to be specific service robots. Not humanoids, but service robots that are on wheels. They have specific jobs for specific industries. So two major distributors of these type of robots are Padbot and Offset Robots. And who do they just happen to be integrating into their software is Auki. Now, why would they be doing that? It's because Auki clearly have the best distribution channel for these type of robots. Because Auki have built their spatial intelligence software, and on top of that, they've built applications like Cactus, which is getting rolled out into thousands and thousands of retail stores. Now, what this software allows you to do is to basically merge the physical and digital worlds. They create digital maps of their stores and can gather all types of information like heat maps. They understand which products are selling where in certain spots. At the moment, it's just getting done through phones. The next step, which is rolling out later this year, is to be doing it hands-free with glasses through their other partner, Mentra. But then the step after that is when the service robots come in, okay? Within the next couple years, we're going to have these retail stores go from just a bunch of dumb humans walking around changing shelves, things like this, to this intertwined AI agent system that's instructing the robots to go move things from here to there, test it, depending on how this heat map of this section works, we want this product over here. They are going to transform retail stores into something completely different, so much more efficient. And boys, there is a lot of retail stores around the world, all right? They have a huge market, which they are predicting like 150 million US in annual recurring revenue in the next few years, which is a massive market. Such a good distribution channel for them to sell robots. And that's the thing is, boys, every single one of these robots is going to be hooked in to Auki's Posemesh software, which means that they need to burn tokens to use it. So by investing in Auki, you are literally investing in something these robots need to survive. It's robot fucking money. Right, I haven't seen another project that comes anywhere near that in terms of a roadmap for how they're going to have hundreds of thousands of robots connected to their software. That is why Auki is the number one play. And that is literally just one section is the retail. I want you to think of every indoor environment that has applications for spatial intelligence and robots, and that's where Auki can go. And boys, the fucking craziest part is they literally don't have any competition for these stores. It's because they're the only decentralized visual positioning system, which means that none of their competition are able to set up their spatial computing software in stores like retailers, because Auki is the only one that allows these customers to hold on to their own data. And this is why Auki's on another level, because when everyone else is building robot applications for the future, we're either gathering data that robots will be able to use in the future, or we're building the hardware that's going to be useful in 10 years. Auki have found a way to go to market right now, boys. We're talking hundreds of millions in ARR very, very soon. Okay, they have fucking figured the robotics game out, and it's genius. And once people actually wrap their head around this, they're going to start to see why Auki is the number one robotics play in crypto. Nothing fucking comes close. Right? I want you to bookmark this video and look back at it in 1 to 2 years' time. No worries. My pleasure. See you, boys.
It's the time of the season when love runs high.